Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on UMIDIGI G5 Tab. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. Now you have to click open and click got it, then click on this button to skip introduction and select not now and click open permissions. Then you have to click AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you have to go back and go back again. Now click start, and as you can see right here there's my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.